Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we have been working on Benchwise for uh, quite some time, and we are moving on to the another part that we have to do in Benchwise, which is joy score. As you can see right here, let's quickly model this and finish. Let's see how we can do this in Catia v5. Right, let's go for a file new. Let's go for a part. Okay, let's name this jaw screw. Okay, let's go for YZ plane. Go to sketch. Then let's do a quick sketch. So we'll go for profiling. We can do like from here, so to here. Quickly draw the profile. Zoom in a bit. So basically I did the half of this part, so just upper part, then we can use the shaft feature to revolve it. Now before the shaft, let's go for constraint dimension. So from here to here, this part also, this also, and this one as well also. So we have to define this. We have to define here to here, to define here to here, and this distance as well, also this one, and what else is left? So from here to here. Yeah, so after that we can utilize the edit multi constraint, and we'll see what are the values. So this total length is 138, so let's select that, go for 138. Next, how much is this? So this is 16 dia, which means it should be 8. This distance over here is 6, and yeah, this distance is 7. Also this one is 12 dia, so which means it should be 6, and that one is 8 dia, so 4. Now this distance is 18, that means 9, and this distance is 24. This over here is 10, and this part is 82. Okay, okay. So then we will exit the workbench. We'll go for shaft, and let's select this axis. Okay, right. Now let's do the whole part. Go for sketching. Select circle over here. Give it a dia of 6, and the center is at a distance of 12. Then exit the workbench. Go for pocket to last. Okay. Okay, so we have to change the pocket. You can go for dimension and mirror extent. That's it. Yeah, that completes the part. Let's save it. Save. So that completes the modeling of joy screw.